Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala ba Preston Song Laong ba Kejingpang Kisnyang Hakejala Megalia Kamdon Jingedai bat ka African swine flu bajakane lalap tak bates batle hapo ICAR umyam hapo jubab ya kamat pelawanra du wemeli kamolai ya kejingyap Kisnyang hiyang dorbar matagasngi ba Preston Laong ba Kejingpang Kisnyang Hakane gejala kadai ka classical swine fever kabari ke jempang ka bujudon hakisnyang bat kami bet satya syakibrio uloong bayakane ke jempang lala pensumar per kamdon ni ban kuslai katkum ke jengong usembut menteri rangba ladon laipo teli kisnyang ke bayap hakini ki penai hakeleng gejala uloong bahadin ba ladon kisnyang pelayo pang ya ka African swine flu Assam bat Arunachal Pradesh ka sorkar jela kalakang ban waras nyang nabar bat kumju Kamsha ban shalan senyang nekiwi ki district Shakawai Pat. Henry ki paidba ki de ban chet bahaya ka dos senyang hadu 90 degree Celsius kang ban yap lut ki knyang jingpang. Shwaya kini wemeli ka mulai ba proses di sau kume ulakam ba ki nong ris senyang hakitai mulai pat mautawar kila shakta na ka jingyap kindep ki senyang kumjo apo mulai thlong bat kinton masar. Ulong ba ka basnosi kalong ba kinong ris senyang kitai ban legmi syakitanat ri jingri namar ba bunsin haban leg ud neban pan jengerap omju long kam bat kani kalapnya yaki ulong bakatanat veterinary kamdon kalikit mat yagi bapang gi basitom pat kibriu ki haban leg ra hi shaki office ha gari khana pat kani kalabu jingye yaki nongri habadon ka curfew ne ka lockdown.
Bring to the information of this August House that during the last week of April 2020 there were reports of unusual deaths of pigs, one in Assam and number 2 in Arunachal Pradesh. Later, when these cases was confirmed, we immediately take steps to prevent the spread of the disease, though that time it was not known whether the African swine fever has infected those pigs in these 2 states or not. Thereafter, there are reported death of 30 pigs in our state since the first week of May up to 15th of May 2020, and the district-wise number of death of pigs are as follows. In East Khasi district, we have 9 cases, Ribhoi district 12, West Khasi district 2, Mairang subdivision 4, West Jantia Hills district 1, East Garo Hills district 1 and East Jantia Hills district 1. Sir, immediately post-mortem of died pigs was conducted and samples were sent to ICAR Umyam for testing. As per the reports received from laboratory tests conducted at ICAR Umyam, most of the deaths reported were attributed to classical swine fever, CSF. Out of 30 pigs, 6 pigs died due to some other reasons, and out of 22 samples tested, 13 samples tested positive for classical swine fever. Therefore, cause death of pigs in our state is not due to African swine fever. Classical swine fever is different from African swine fever. Classical swine fever is not a deadly disease. Mortality rate is very low, 1.4%, and vaccines are available for treatment. Both African swine fever and classical swine fever do not spread to human being. Therefore, there is no threat to their public health. These diseases transmit from pig to pig by direct contact and indirectly through secretion and contaminated equipments and feed, etc. Symptoms are high fever, loss of appetite, purple discoloration of ears, abdomen, and inner thigh. After reported death of pigs in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, the government immediately issued public notice on 27 April 2020 and took appropriate measures to prevent spread of disease to our state, such as 1. Ban on import of pigs into the state, B. Ban on inter-district movement of pigs, C. All government and private pig farms were alerted and advised to take adequate measures for strict hygiene and biosecurity and disinfection of the farms. D. Any signs of high fever and unusual death of pigs should be brought to the notice of district veterinary officer. E. It was advised that people should consume pork only after cooking adequately, above 70% Celsius for at least 20 minutes. F. 139 rapid response teams constituted for surveillance. In addition to this, the department is taking several measures to educate farmers about African swine fever, such as SOPs and advisories issued by the department,